Hi, my name's Bradley Houghton. I'm the Operations Manager at Devon and Patterson Flooring here in Wellington. We've been operating in the Wellington area for the last 26 years. So we have between 15 and 20 installers that we interact with on a weekly basis, from vinyl to carpet and also hard flooring. So we had a big whiteboard in our tower warehouse here. It was used to convey all of our jobs for our Johnsonville store and our tower store. The main problems with it was that we had to make so many phone calls for every job, so any little change with a job required multiple phone calls, and also installers had to call up to see what their workload was. So just a lot of phone calls for any small changes. Shane was one of our vinyl installers, so we wanted to support him, but mainly we thought he had a really great idea, and we were really looking for something for a while that was going to help us streamline our booking system. It's really made everything more streamlined and a lot more transparent. It's very helpful for us as staff, but also for our carpet installers to understand their workloads. Also very easy to find old jobs if you need to find documentation and that type of thing. So it just really made everything streamlined and very transparent for us. Most definitely not. No, it's definitely a thing of the past, the old whiteboard.